Welcome to my YouTube channel English Tips by Anupam Sharma. Let's study Lesson 1, A Triumph of Surgery, of our supplementary reader of class 10, that is Footprints Without Feet. This lesson is covered under 3 videos in part 1 and part 2. We are going to study complete explanation of the lesson, and in part 3 we'll study the exercises of this lesson. In this video, A Triumph of Surgery part 2, we are going to study the lesson, its explanation and its difficult words. As we already know that this lesson is about Tricky, a small dog. This dog is loved, pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. ट्रिकी की मिस्ट्रेस बहुत ही अमीर है और वो अपने डॉगी ट्रिकी को ज्यादा खिलाती है। इस कारण वो सीरियसली इल हो जाता है और फिर उसकी मिस्ट्रेस एक वेटरनरी सर्जन को कंसल्ट करती है। क्या वो वेटरनरी सर्जन ऑपरेशन करता है? क्या डॉग ठीक हो पाता है? क्या अपनी इलनेस से रिकवर होता है? In this part of A Triumph of Surgery, let's study the lesson and its explanation along with word meanings. Let's read the rest of the lesson to find out, is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? क्या narrator Tricky की mistress जितना rich है? और वो dog को कैसे treat करता है? और dog को वो permanent guest क्यों रखना चाहता है? And the last question is, Mrs. Pumphrey क्यों सोचती हैं that dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Dog के ठीक होने का कारण सर्जरी की जीत है। At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the 2nd day, he started to show some interest in the surroundings, and on the 3rd, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Difficult words over here are wag. Wag means पूंछ हिलाना, especially with reference to an animal's tail, move or cause to move rapidly to and fro. Surged, move suddenly and powerfully forward and upward. अचानक से और पावरफुली आगे को और ऊपर की तरफ मूव करना। मोशनलेस, बिना हिले डुले रहना, नॉट मूविंग, स्टेशनरी। स्निफिंग, द एक्शन ऑफ ड्रॉइंग इन एयर ऑडिबली थ्रू द नोज, जोर से सांस लेना। विम्पर, मेक अ सीरीज ऑफ लो feeble sounds expressive of fear, pain or unhappiness. बड़ी हल्की हल्की सी आवाजें निकालना जिससे पता चले कि एनिमल दुखी है। Trotted, run at a moderate pace with short steps. धीरे धीरे भागना। Engulfed, sweep over something so as to surround or cover it completely. ढक लेना। Sloped, spill or flow over the edge of a container, typically as a result of careless handling. किसी बर्तन से बाहर छलकना। Liable, likely to do or to be something. कुछ होना, कुछ बनकर दिखाना। The explanation of this part is, as soon as they reached the hospital, all the other dogs gathered round the doctor. Tricky looked at all of them but couldn't move. The other dogs thought that he was a very uninteresting object and left. Then the narrator made the bed for Tricky in a warm box along with the other dogs. For 2 days, the narrator kept him just on water and nothing else. On the second day, he roamed around looking at the place around him, and on the third day, he was also making noise. जैसे ही नरेटर ट्रिकी को उसके घर से लेकर हॉस्पिटल पहुंचता है, सभी डॉग्स ट्रिकी के अराउंड गैदर हो जाते हैं। बट ट्रिकी उनको बड़ा लेजीली देखता है और मूव भी नहीं करता। देन द अदर डॉग्स थॉट कि ट्रिकी बड़ा ही अनइंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट है और वो सभी चले जाते हैं। नरेटर ट्रिकी का बेड दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ ही लगा देता है। एंड फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days नरेटर ट्रिकी पर नजर रखता है और उसको खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं देता, जस्ट वाटर देता है। ऑन द सेकेंड डे वो देखता है कि ट्रिकी भी दूसरे डॉग्स की तरह इधर उधर घूम रहा है। एंड ऑन द थर्ड डे ट्रिकी भी थोड़ी थोड़ी नॉइजेस करने शुरू कर चुका है। When the narrator opened the door, Tricky quickly came out and was surrounded by other dogs. Again, after sniffing him for a moment, all of them left for the garden where Tricky followed them. Now, third day में ट्रिकी को जैसे ही डोर ओपन किया जाता है वो जल्दी से बाहर आ जाता है। बाकी के डॉग्स उसे सराउंड कर लेते हैं, उसे थोड़ी देर के लिए स्निफ करते हैं, सूंघते हैं, एंड देन ट्रिकी ऑल्सो फॉलोज देम, उनके पीछे पीछे गार्डन में चला जाता है। Later in the evening, the narrator was present at the dinner time. All of them were eating with great speed because they knew that if they didn't quickly finish, then the other dog, after finishing his meal, would come to eat their meal. Now, evening में narrator dinner time में present है और वो उनको observe कर रहा है। सभी dogs बड़ी ही स्पीड के साथ खा रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है अगर उन्होंने अपना खाना जल्दी से फिनिश नहीं किया तो दूसरे डॉग्स उनकी मील को शेयर करने के लिए आ जाएंगे। When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls, licking casually inside 1 or 2 of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. From then on, this process was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Difficult words are licking. Pass the tongue over something in order to taste, moisten or clean it. चाटना, pleased. खुश होना, jostling, push, elbow or bump against someone, दूसरे को धक्का देना. Scrimmages, a confused struggle or fight. झगड़ना, trampled, tread on and crush, एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ जाना, squashed, flat, soft and out of shape as a result of being crushed or squeezed with force, मसल देना, shaggy, long, thick and unkempt, लंबा, घना और खुरदरा. Explanation of this part of the story is, when everybody finished their food, Tricky went round looking at the shining balls and also licked a few balls. The very next day, an extra ball was put for him and the narrator was happy to see him running towards his ball. Then he started getting better really quick. He did not require any medicines and started playing with the other dogs the whole day. They all used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over with each other and squash each other. All of the other dogs accepted him as a family member, although he was very different from others, as he was a very well taken care by his owner and the others were not. He also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs who were much larger in size than him. At night, he would also hunt rats in the hen house. He was enjoying as he had never done such things before. So, dear students, इस lesson के part में हमने सीखा that जब हर कोई अपना खाना finish कर रहा होता, ट्रिकी भी एक दो balls को चाटने लगा. उससे next day से narrator ने एक extra bowl रख दिया ट्रिकी के लिए भी, और वो खुश था. ट्रिकी भी अपने खाने के लिए लड़ झगड़ रहा था और जल्दी जल्दी अपना खाना फिनिश कर रहा था. उसकी रिकवरी बहुत क्विक थी. उसको कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं दी गई थी और उसने दिन भर दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ खेलना शुरू कर दिया था. अब वो दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ झगड़ता, उनके ऊपर चढ़ जाता और उनके साथ प्ले करता, और सभी डॉग्स ने उसको एज अ फैमिली मेंबर एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था. लेकिन वो दूसरे डॉग से बहुत ही डिफरेंट था, क्योंकि उसे उसकी मिस्ट्रेस ने बहुत ही केयरिंग वे में पाला था. अब नरेटर ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि वो मील टाइम में भी दूसरे लोगों के साथ, दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ झगड़ा करता है, फाइट करता है, और इवनिंग्स में, नाइट्स में वो रैट्स को हंट करता है, हैन हाउस में जाके चूहे पकड़ता है. और वो इतना एंजॉय कर रहा था अपनी लाइफ को, क्योंकि उसने पहले कभी भी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया था. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the rare possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and during the meal. Difficult words over here are hovered, remain poised uncertainly in one place or between 2 states. मंडराते रहना, anxiously, feeling or showing worry, nervousness or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Dozen, 12 in number. Bulletins, a short official statement or broadcast summary of news. Convalescing, recover one's health and strength over a period of time after an illness or medical treatment. बीमारी के बाद हेल्थ में इंप्रूवमेंट आना. Explanation of this part is, All this while, Mrs. Pumphrey used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. Mr. Harriot used to avoid questions about the coats, bed, etc. But he told her that Tricky was doing very good and was recovering very fast. Mrs. Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover fast. She started sending 24 eggs every day for him, but Mr. Harriot and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine. Then it became Mr. Harriot's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and a few along with it. So, Mrs. Pumphrey दिन में 12 बार ट्रिकी की हेल्थ को इंक्वायर करती थी फोन कर कर। मिस्टर हैरियट उन क्वेश्चंस को अवॉइड ही करते जिसमें वो पूछती कि क्या ट्रिकी के कोट्स वेदर के अकॉर्डिंगली बदले जा रहे हैं या नहीं। मोरओवर, जब मिस्टर हैरियट ने मिसेस पम्फ्री को बताया कि ट्रिकी अपनी हेल्थ में रिकवर कर रहा था, इंप्रूवमेंट आ रही थी, तो मिसेस पम्फ्री ने हर दिन 12 एग्स सेंड करने शुरू कर दिए, जिसका मिस्टर हैरियट और उसके पार्टनर्स ने बखूबी यूज किया। सभी अपने ब्रेकफास्ट में 2 एग्स लेते थे। अब तो हद ही हो गई जब मिसेस पम्फ्री ने ट्रिकी की ब्लड की क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए वाइन भी भेजनी शुरू कर दी। अब मिस्टर हैरियट के लिए लंच एक सेलिब्रेशन बन गई, क्योंकि वो वाइन की 2 ग्लासेस लंच से पहले लेते थे और कुछ ग्लासेस ड्यूरिंग द लंच भी ले लेते थे। They could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled out, inhaled and reverently drunk. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. I was tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Difficult words over here are brandy, a strong alcoholic spirit distilled from wine or fermented fruit juice. Constitution, the composition of something. Reverently, with deep and solemn respect. Temptation, lalach, the desire to do something, especially something wrong or unwise. Compelled, bring out something by the use of force or pressure. जबरदस्ती किसी को किसी काम के लिए force करना. Awaiting, wait for, इंतजार करना. Explanation of this part is, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in brandy. At that time, Mr. Harriot was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. They shared it amongst themselves. Some days, Mr. Harriot used to feel very happy as he would start his day with an extra eggs. Then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. Because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Harriot was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery. He really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. But then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. अब मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने इनिशियल लेवल पर तो एग्स सेंड किए, वाइन सेंड किया, अब उन्होंने ब्रांडी भी सेंड करने शुरू कर दी। और मिस्टर हैरियट ही वाज एस्टोनिश्ड, हैरान थे कि वो ये ब्रांडी ट्रिकी के लिए भेज रही हैं। अब उनके लिए तो ये सेलिब्रेशन था, उनकी मॉर्निंग बिगिन होती थी एग्स के साथ, आफ्टरनून में वो लेते थे वाइन और नाइट को वो सेलिब्रेट करते थे ब्रांडी के साथ। अब उनको लगता था ट्रिकी को हमेशा के लिए एज अ परमानेंट गेस्ट अपनी सर्जरी में रख लेना चाहिए। बट फिर उन्होंने ये रियलाइज किया कि मिसेस पम्फ्री, जो कि लाइक अ मदर थी फॉर ट्रिकी, वो बहुत ही सफर कर रही थी और जल्दी ही उन्हें ट्रिकी को वापस भेजना होगा। For explanation of the rest of the lesson and solved question answers, watch the next video, that is A Triumph of Surgery Part 3. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.